can even roll in peace, why? Everybody notice me, yeah. I can even go to sleep, why? I'm rolling on the beam, yeah. They tried to give me 8, got on my knee like Jesus.
Hi guys, so today I am here with a taste test. So what I did today, like a couple minutes ago, I went to Dollar Tree and I purchased like random things like that I've never saw before. So, well, I saw these, but I just, you know, they're dark chocolate, so I wanted to try. Yeah, and yeah. So first, I'm gonna name everything here. So here we have. Wait, let's try to get everything to the frame. So here we have this strawberry banana. The camera is super far away, so if it doesn't focus, I do apologize. And we have this mini vanilla cream puffs. They have to be made, so you know, most of the stuff, well, 2 of these things have to be made like in the microwave. And we have these cinnamon bites, and then we have these, I don't know how to pronounce it or whatever, but they're chocolate wafers. And we got this Donald Duck apple juice. And
that was cool, right?
A vanilla iced latte.
That's gonna taste good to me.
And some Sour Patch watermelon ice cream balls. I'm really excited to try these because, you know, like, yeah.
Very yummy.
So let's get into the video. Alright, so the first thing we're gonna try is the drink. So I'm gonna get up and then I'm gonna like show y'all a close up of the drinks, and then we're gonna taste them.
I just want a cup.
Yeah. First drink we're gonna try is this vanilla iced latte.
White horse.
Yeah, that's what we're gonna try first. So let's move everything else out the way. But
Thank you.
okay, wait, put it down. Alright.
Hey, Mama.
So it says, do we have to shake it? Yes, ma'am. Okay.
I want to see.
What's in your wheels? Icing. Okay. Alright. It says shake well, so I'm gonna shake it. Madison. This one first. I'm gonna pour a little bit, because I don't know if it's gonna be nasty or not.
It smells like coffee.
It is.
Oh, coffee.
Okay, how to wait, girl?
I think it's something nasty. It is so Cheer.
Okay, hold on, wait. So this is the vanilla iced latte. I'm gonna leave it here. Put a cap on it. Alright, you guys ready?
Yes. It's good. Good. Very good.
It's okay. I mean, I wouldn't buy it again. Like, if I was just going down the street, I wouldn't be like, oh, I want this vanilla iced latte.
I drank all of this.
I wouldn't do that. On a scale of 1 to 10, what do you rate it? Madison first. What, like, how good was it? Was it like a 1, which is bad, or a 10, which is really
bad? It was so good with the vanilla. I can't taste the vanilla. Stop it.
You gotta get the other side of my cup because I don't want it in the next thing. Okay, I rate it like a 6. Okay, what do you rate it, Sanaa?
4.
A 4. What do you rate it, Bubba?
3.
A 3. Okay. I'm not gonna ask the background information, so yeah.
So y'all don't like it.
Next thing we're gonna taste is the strawberry banana smoothie.
Oh, smoothie.
Gonna taste it first. 4.
Oh man.
Don't drink it.
It's not good. Oh, I'm gonna want me some more. Umala. I always say umala. I just want to drink. It smells so good. Let me see how it tastes this time. Okay, one.
Oh, wait.
We didn't do chairs. Wow.
So, this one.
Let's taste it.
Y'all, I'm so skinny. Okay. Cheers.
Cheers. 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3.
Good. It tastes good. I took a 10. I picked a 9. And I picked a 13.
Okay. I say it's a 3. I don't really like that much. So.
I like it. I like it that much. So we're gonna try the apple juice.
Alright, now we're gonna taste some of this Donald Duck apple juice.
Dino Duck.
Excuse my nails, y'all. I ain't really mean to like be able to put my nails in camera, so because I wasn't really worried about it, but now I am because it's embarrassing. There you go. Whatever machine package this strong.
And look up.
No.
Why we have mixed all of the drinks together?
No, that's disgusting.
Don't be mad. It smells like baby wipes.
Baby wipes.
And there was something
It's
like
apple juice.
It smells good.
So if you guys didn't know, if you guys are wondering why you take apple juice, because all apple juice is the same. Not all apple juice is the same, you know? Alright, y'all, let's cheers.
1, 2,
1, 2, 3.
Good for me. I pick a 6. But not 100. I pick a 11. I pick 6. I pick a 10. I pick a 10. Yeah, 10.
I say 8. I mean, because it's not that good. I mean, y'all could probably say I'm being picky, but it's really not that good. I'll drink it, but it's not that good. Alright, next.
But now we got.
So now we're going to taste these Sour Patch. So they're little. Y'all can share. Oh snap, this thing's soft. You can have that one. You better eat it like that. Oh well. Ain't getting no another one either.
Well, I'll bring it a piece of one.
Okay. Wait. 1, 2, 3.
It tastes so good. Don't taste nasty. I mean, all of this.
I'd probably say the 8.5 because it don't really taste like this, the actual candy.
I give it a 7. It's just like warm.
It tastes like. So this tastes like, you know, on the ice cream truck, the lime and
You can buy my
the lime and something. It's like a lime popsicle. This is what this tastes like.
But it's cold.
Alright y'all, so we about to try the cream-filled wafers, dark chocolate. I had these earlier, but they were Alright, so they in these this aluminum foil type mirror. This is the inside of it.
We don't like chocolate though.
This is what it looks like.
Yeah.
8, 6, 7, 8, 10.
I'll take a 0.
Hold up.
She likes it.
Hold up. I don't like dark chocolate.
You like the other.
No, I don't like dark chocolate, but this kind of good.
See, they didn't even call your recipe out.
I'm rated a 9.5. You wanna know why? Why? Because 1, I can't read what I'm eating. 2, she will buy it. Spend some money on this. If you guys like it. Right here, you should freaking, you should text me here. Say, oh, I like that. I like that. And you should comment down below, I like that. I like that. Alright, so the next thing we're gonna taste.
We got bacon.
Well, what's that? Do not microwave. Alright, so we can eat this just as it is. Alright, so these are called Dos Toscano. Alright, got a camera hat cut off. Okay, so they come in like the plastic packet.
It's right here. Oh my god.
Look at this. Let's try to break it apart. Oh, it look like banana pudding. 1, 2, 3.
I think 0. Zero.
Ugh!
Take 0.
Who put this in stores? Who put this in stores? Like,
Hey man.
who buys this stuff? This shirt is. It look like. Okay. It looked like this ice cream or something. I will show y'all where this should go, but it hasn't been emptied yet, so it look a little trashy. Just like this. And then open, so I'm good. Next, we about to try these Cinnabon Gooey Bites Soft Baked Cinnamon Roll Bites covered with cinnamon glaze and cream cheese frosting. Eat and greet. I mean, and eat, not heat and greet. Yeah. But I think this is gonna be good. So I'm gonna microwave it and let it cool down a little bit. But I burn my tongue and stuff. So I'm opening it on camera with y'all.
Can we do a video how this video go from here?
So Oh, it smells like cinnamon. Okay, so here we got it. Why this got a big old, we got this big old, we got this big old lotion ball in the middle. So let's just stop. So here we got it. Oh, let me zoom out quick. Ooh, it's all bent up and stuff. They did me dirty. So I'm about to go microwave this for 45 seconds. Cause set the microwave before the 45 seconds. Okay, no. 10 minutes left. Alright. So this is what it looked like microwave and stuff. You should at least try it. It's sweet. So now I'm about to take these knives and I'm about to dip them, dig them in this. So Madison, you get that one. No, that one. I don't know how I feel about this, honestly. What? It's just a cinnamon roll. You sticking it too far. I got dust swing.
I'll take this as a 100. Who like that?
Alright, I got this one, but 1, 2, 7, 10.
Zero.
No.
You like it?
Right, that's all. Alright guys, if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. If you guys like this outfit,